Question number 8. What is a reasonable estimate of the momentum of a car? Estimate question, which means what? There should be one assumption. Okay, of a momentum of a car traveling at 25 km per hour. What is given? Velocity is given. What is to be asked? Momentum should be found. For momentum, what do we need? Momentum, we need m into v. So we should assume the value of m. Okay, so what should be the mass of a car? Usually, mass of a car could be around 1000 to 1500 kgs. Let me assume 1000 first. Okay, 1000 multiplied by velocity. See, it is in meter per second. So I need to convert this into meter per second. So this is 25 kilometer per hour. 25 kilometer per hour. I will convert this into 1000 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 5 by 80, right? Meter per second. So when I do this, where is my calculator? I just take my calculator. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, so now we have 5 divided by 18 is equal to so much divided by 25. So this should be 6.94. 6.94 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 1000, which gives me 6944 or nearly 7000 kg meter per second. Which is the closest one? This is the closest one. Answer is A. That's it.